going to a movie. We're going to a movie. We're stuck in traffic. We're stuck in traffic.
I'm definitely glad we didn't go to the fabric store.
Yeah, I'm sorry. That was a
We're
bad
going to see
idea.
Avengers!
Yay!
Woo! And I'm done with classes!
Yay!
And I'm wearing a nice shirt.
Yay! And you spent like $150. Yay! I spent money too.
Yeah.
I got clothes. And Adam got...
I got lots of stuff. You can't see it.
Yeah, it's all in bags.
Do
you want to tell them?
Well, I got the two expensive things I bought. I'm hopeful my dealer reselling because that was the whole point of buying it. But I got a GoPro Hero 3, and then which is not the newest one, but it's still a newer one that's really good quality. And then a pair of Sennheiser headphones, one of the super expensive kinds. And both the GoPro I actually got for close. It was like $62, and then the Sennheiser headphones were like 90ish. And both of them sell on Amazon for like $140, so that's a nice turnaround, assuming I can sell it, which I should have no problem because I was able to list it pretty much right on the app when I was there if I wanted. So I'm excited, and then I got me some of the Star Wars cups that I got from my dad for his birthday, and then I got me Batman vs. Robin. They had a little collector set that was cheaper than the actual regular Blu-ray, so gave me a little Batman toy.
You happy?
I'm happy, and we're going to see Avengers Age of Ultron.
Last night we caught up on Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. We had 4 episodes to watch.
Yeah.
And at the end of the last one, he was just... I was worried that he was going to drag me to the movie then and there.
I was considering it.
It was like 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah, we were going to go see it. Because at the last episode before the movie actually came out, they did lots of tie-ins and stuff. And then apparently they're answering a lot of questions in today's episode. So we're going to watch the movie and then maybe watch the episode tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Go see Avengers, Hulk go smash.
Hulk go smash.
Yeah.
It is a pretty day out.
It is.
Look at that sky.
Very hot. It's 91 degrees.
90. Not 91.
It said 91 a second ago.
90.
It said 91.
So, yeah, this is our little celebration because his classes are finally over.
School's out forever.
He's done forever. I still have a year to go, and then I might do graduate school, so
Yeah.
I won't be celebrating for a while. But
Yeah.
that's the schedule for today. The theater's right up here. Well, not at this light, but like the next one. So I'm gonna end the vlog. Do you want to give any words of wisdom in regards to college life and being done with it?
Go see Avengers 2.
No.
What? What is it? Chicken free. What do we get?
You got a water thing.
You said not to show your food.
It's dirty. Chicken. She's been drinking out of the toilet lately and jumping onto my lap, kneading my legs, and
Toilet
leaving
water.
big wet paw prints on them.
So we got them a water thing.
Yeah, and she's gotten that. Oh, he already ran. She's gotten another cat to do it too. All right, chicken. I'm gonna fill it up with water. Okay.
I think there's no water in it.
Make her do something cute while I'm gone.
Nope, she's leaving. Oh no. She doesn't understand why there's no water in it.
This is so precarious. Cause the thing like.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. All right, chicken. You ready?
That's your water.
Is it a success? She won't drink it. Don't splash. Amelia Sue. Amelia, please. This toilet business has to end. Come here. Drink out of it. It's safe, I promise. You're making me really sad right now.
See, it's new. I gotta get used to it.
This is such a typical cat thing, I know, but... Please, just one drink, please. Hey, come here. Amelia.
Should probably do it when you're not trying to force her.
Come here. See?
Oh. Yeah.
Decision pending, I guess.
Yep. It was worth a shot.
Should I get Moo and see if he...
Yeah. Boy.
Puddlefin.
I didn't care. She got the other kitty.
Here, what is it? Did he take a drink?
I don't know.
Darn it. Yes.
Yay.
The dumb one was dumb enough to try it.
He's like, I don't get it. It's just water.
I guess he's their test dummy. There you go, Moons.
There we go.
1 out of 3 cats approve.
Yeah.
I can't tell if he's actually getting any water.
She's barely getting it. Amelia's just cleaning him.
Really so.
That cat drinking action.
He's acting really thirsty.
Yeah.
I guess it might have been worth it. I don't know. How much was it? Like $9?
Yeah.
So,
I'll drink out of it.
yeah. She looks like she's ready to attack him. Oh, no, she's sniffing the cover. She was wiggling her butt. Good boy, Moons.
It's like I was told to drink, I keep drinking.
Yeah. Maybe he's trying to make it go away.
I don't think you can drink all of it.
You can try. Cats look so dumb when they drink. Is Put going in? No. Oh, you done, Moons.
He was interrupted
Oh,
by the
no.
put.
Uh-oh, here it comes.
Still just like, what is it?
No, he does not seem into it at all. Of course she stops. Here, I'll make it bubble again. She does that. She splashed it on
Yeah.
me. Here we go.
I'm glad.
Most fun toy. She's so prissy. I think she does it because she doesn't think the water's clean. Her mom did it too. She attacked you.
Yeah. Jerk.
It was a temporary success.
And she's done. She was drinking it though.
She had like 3 drinks.